Hey, hi everyone, welcome back to our channel GK Technical Hub. In this video, we are going to look about the NPTEL course Cloud Computing and Distributed System Assignment 1 Week 1. Due date of this assignment is 5th February 2025. So let us begin, guys. You can mark the answers by seeing in this video and submit your assignment before due date. Like the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification whenever I upload the upcoming assignments in coming weeks. And do let's share the video with your friends in your groups. Thank you guys for watching this video till the end.